4th, you left, ended up in West Virginia. Understand that charge?
Yes. Yes.
Ms. Novotny?
Your Honor, at this time, my client would like to waive the final hearing and admit to the violations.
Is that what you want to do?
Yes.
What's your plea to the allegations?
Guilty.
I'll accept your guilty plea and find you guilty. Well?
Where should I start?
From the beginning.
Well, I quit taking all my psych meds.
Why?
I didn't know if it was like making the, because it was like really hot in the summer, and I didn't know if the meds were making it worse, and it was just a lapse in judgment. Probably
Okay.
not my best.
Did you go back to your doctor and say, I'm not doing well on these meds and I need something different?
No, but that's what I should have done.
Why didn't you do it?
I have no answer for that, honestly.
Why did you leave here?
I have no idea, honestly. Like, there's no excuse for it.
I know that, but that's not the question. The question is why you did it.
Just struggling mentally.
What was in West Virginia?
My kids are down there, and family is down there.
Okay. What were you doing in West Virginia?
Just to visit, it was supposed to be, but
If you wanted to visit, why didn't you ask your
I should have asked probation. And
Right, and I would have let you visit. But I don't think you wanted to visit. I think you just wanted to get the hell out of here. So why did the police round you up in West Virginia?
out-of-state plates.
What does that mean?
A lot of the drugs down there come from Cincinnati and Columbus, so
How do
anybody
you
with
know that?
out-of-state plates.
How do you know that?
Because I used to live down there.
Okay. So they're pulling over Ohio plates all the time?
Just out-of-state
because?
plates in general.
Okay.
I was in the driveway, but they'd been watching my car because the out-of-state tags.
Did you tell her what I said before I came in?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. So, who arrested you?
The drug task force.
What, the drug task force?
And fugitive, drug violent, or fugitive, whatever, I can't remember exactly what it's called. They were watching the house where I was at.
Whose house was it?
A friend of mine,
Who?
Elizabeth and Billy Jack Christian.
Are they like drug people or something?
No,
Well,
but
they
there's a
have
lot
to
of
be
drug
ar-
activity in that area, like a lot of their kids'
Why-
company.
Why were they sitting on that house?
Probably because of all the people that are in and out of that alley.
What do you mean the alley?
Okay, so there's 3 houses, well, 2 trailers and a house, and then there's an abandoned house over here. And there's like a lot of traffic, like all the local neighborhood kids are over there, like Billy Jack and Elizabeth's kids do drugs. So all their little friends are there in and out, so when they see an
So
Ohio plates.
somebody's peddling drugs out of that house.
No, they're just doing drugs out of the house.
Okay. Well, people aren't coming and going unless there's drug peddling going on. That's why they were sitting on that house. They don't just wander around neighborhoods and start watching houses unless they have information that would lead them to watch the houses. So that's why they were watching that house. So now you're thick back in the middle of this drug stuff that you were in for a long time before you were on probation. So what drugs were you using?
I was drinking
What drugs were you using?
and did meth like 3 times.
Okay. Now we're getting somewhere. So now what should we do with you?
I would like a chance to maybe get back on my like all of my medications and get back to work and so I don't lose my apartment and become, like, get back to where I was before
Where's your apartment?
on Liberty Street,
Where?
right here in Painesville,
No, what's the address?
551.5.
And who else lives there?
My boyfriend,
What's his name?
Tyler Filipasic.
What does he do?
He works for Jack's Pools in the summer, and at the moment, he's unemployed. He's working on getting a factory job.
Where were you working before you booked town?
GameStop before they closed down, and I was in the middle of trying to find another, like, new employment at that time, like, that fit in with my AA schedule.
Were you helping with Jack Bulls too?
What? And I was helping with Jack's Pools too, under the table.
Where do your kids live?
In Logan County, West Virginia.
Who do they live with?
Their dads.
$11 and $9?
Yes.
Okay, why are they living there?
Because when I left my youngest daughter's dad, he, like, I still have, like, haven't had any contact with my youngest daughter, but my oldest daughter, I'm allowed to see her on video every once in a great while when her cousin lets it happen. Her grandparents, like, on her dad's side, both recently passed away from cancer. So that's why I was, like, trying to mend a relationship somewhat with their dad, like, attempt to. Like,
How
I was
long have they lived with their dads?
since 2016.
Okay. Isn't that because of your involvement with the system?
Yes.
When are you gonna change that narrative?
I plan on, like, keeping it together this time. Like, I can't keep doing this. Mad at myself for messing up when I was doing so good to begin with.
Where did you go after you got out of NeoCap?
The marriage,
And what'd you do there?
90 days. Inpatient.
Well, what did you do there? Not how long were you there, what did you do?
A lot of work, like, on ourselves, like, the same with NeoCap, but just on a different level.
When did you get out of there?
December 5th of 23, I think.
24 probably? No, maybe 23.
I think it was 23 because, yeah, it would have been, yeah, 23.
Where were you going for your mental health treatment?
Crossroads.
When's the last time you talked to somebody at Crossroads?
I've been trying to get in touch with them since I've been here, but before that, it was, I can't remember when it
Before you
was.
left here, right?
Yeah,
Okay. How have you been trying to get a hold of Crossroads?
through the tablet, like, because Crossroads does the mental health here at the
You
jail.
haven't heard from them?
No, they keep telling me I'm on the list to see the prescriber, but it's a long wait, they said. because of other services that they offer or something along those lines.
And how long you been here?
45 days, or 44 today, I think.
Your
Any-
Honor,
Huh?
if I may specifically, October 28th.
So is it common that somebody's here 45 days trying to get a hold of them and they don't hear from them? It seems like a long time if that's true.
That is true, though. Like, I have on the tablet my medical requests, I've got like 3 or 4 into mental health. And their response on everyone is, you're on the list to see the prescriber. And so I'd kite them again, and then they keep telling me the same thing. But I see Dr. Solani at Crossroads is my prescriber there.
Did you make any progress on your driver's license yet?
Yes, I have my driver's license. I paid off all my court stuff. I've met every one of my objectives that you had set for me, sir.
Almost, right?
Yeah.
Almost.
Yeah, all but one.
How many days she been in?
44 days on the violation, 368 days overall.
A year on this thing. You've been a year in jail on this thing. Mr. Novotny?
Your Honor, we would like the court to consider her for community control and continue that. I know she wants to work towards getting reacclimated with Crossroads. To even talk about that issue, I know she called me in the jail December 1st regarding her mental health medications. Ultimately, I did call over there as well to check in on them as well. They said that she was on the list, informing me of that as well. So that was a known issue.
Has anybody ever seen the list?
No, Your Honor, I have not. With that, she has not been getting Wellbutrin and Proceedings. She does want to get back on her antidepressant pills with that respect, get back with Crossroads with the mental health counseling she needs. I know she admitted that she went to West Virginia, she wasn't using her mental health pills, and she understands that she needs to keep on that course and maintain with her mental health in order to thrive.
Okay, are there holders?
Not at the moment.
I know there is an active probation violation warrant with Geauga County. They may be waiting to place a hold for them. I don't have up to the minute information on whether they placed a hold at this time or not, but
Okay.
it is an active warrant.
And that was the only one, or was there another one?
That's the only warrant that I know of.
Is there something in Eastern County Court?
There's a
Yeah, should be
municipal court probation case, which I don't know if they have
Okay.
filed a violation.
Okay. All right, I'm gonna keep you on community control. You're gonna serve 45 days in jail with credit for 44. You're gonna continue with Crossroads and follow the recommendations. You're gonna, not only with mental health, but you got a meth problem too, so drug and alcohol also with them. Got it?
Yeah.
You're gonna do everything that, the ongoing orders that I told you back in March of '23, and also you're gonna clear up these 2 warrants. If there's if there's holders, they're gonna take you. If there's
Yeah.
no holders,
Then clear them up
it's
on
your
my own.
responsibility to clear them up as part of your probation.
Okay.
Anything else, Megan?
Oh, Your Honor, thank you.
Any questions?
No.
Nothing else, Your Honor.
Okay, that's it.
All rise.